Hi, I'm Holly Ackroyd, one of the family team members here at Rolletts. Mediation is a constructive way of resolving disputes and is increasingly becoming the preferred route for couples coping with the breakdown of their relationships and other family-related issues. Going to court can be an expensive and lengthy process, with the final decision ultimately being taken out of your hands. The first step for mediation is to fill in a referral form. This is then completed and returned to us. We can send this via email or post. We are then in a position to set up a MIAM meeting, the first meeting with the mediator. The MIAM session will cost you nothing if you're entitled to legal aid. The mediator and I will help individuals work out if you can claim this legal aid. This will cover both parties, even if only one of you qualifies for legal aid. The cost of the individual MIAM, if you're not entitled to public funding, is £100 inclusive of VAT for our Hull office and £120 for our York office. Once the MIAMs have been completed, the parties will be asked if they wish to proceed with the mediation process. A first mediation session will then be set up where the parties have the opportunity to discuss the outstanding issues and to try more forward toward an agreement. At the joint mediation sessions, the mediator will usually see you and other parties together, although you may be offered the chance to do this separately if one party is eligible for public funding, and then both parties will receive the first mediation session free. We will use your income and outgoings to assess your availability. We will also consider your capital position. As a guide, you may be eligible if you receive income support, universal credit, employment and support allowance. If you live on your own and your household income is less than £17,000 per year, or if you live with a partner and or dependent children and your household income is less than £21,000 per year. The cost of this session, if you are privately paying, is £105 per person per hour plus VAT. Each session will usually last up to 2 hours. The Ministry of Justice has developed a mediation voucher scheme. This is where a contribution of up to £500 per case family to the mediation costs of a child arrangement case is offered. The voucher scheme is available now. However, the long-term availability of the vouchers are unknown and could be subject to change at any time. Therefore, we encourage people to try mediation now while the different forms of funding are still available.